Men, and I use the term loosely, received this email off of my website the other day, and I get a lot of people ask a lot of questions. And let me preface this by saying I don't mind helping a guy out, but I need a little evidence that you have tried to help yourself first. Like, questions that aren't answered in the maintenance manual and evidence that you've tried something. I'm not going to spoon feed a guy step-by-step instructions on his fixing his fucking shit. That ain't going to happen. Anyway, I received this email. The names have been obscured to protect. I was going to say the stupid, but Ironhead Peg said, that's mean, don't say that. So the names have been obscured to protect the mechanically disinclined. Anyway, need to know the direction for the 1975 Sportster Pinion gear, tapered, spell wrong, end, facing, spelled wrong, the block, or the flat end, please help me. Punctuation, capitalization, the one I have is loose and slides off easily. Spelling, does that matter? And, I know I make videos I shouldn't make, and this is probably one of them, but motherfucker, here's the gear he's talking about. And I'm sure most of you, my viewers, know which way it goes. And yes, although the gear will fit on the shaft this way or turned around this way, there is only one way that makes any sense. And if you have a quarter of an ounce of mechanical aptitude, you would know which way it has to face. You would know, and I'm not going to say, you guys fucking know. And anyway, that's part one of his question. Part two of his question, does that matter? That's actually a good question. They are supposed to be a press fit, and some of them can really be a pain in the ass to get off and on. Does it matter? Well, I'm going to answer that, and I will answer that right now. I don't know that it does matter. If it slides back and forth, the rotational force on the spiral gear from the oil pump is going to want to shove the oil pump drive gear and the pinion gear outboard. So the face of the pinion gear will thrust on the pinion cam cover, on the cam cover pinion bushing. And will it cause more rapid wear? Probably. Will it affect the timing? Well, not the timing of the cam gears. It might slightly affect the timing of the oil pump breather, but I don't think it will shift the position of the slot in the sleeve a significant amount as to matter. So from that aspect, I don't think it matters. Will it wear rapidly? Well, it might, and that could matter. Preferably, the gear should be a press fit on there. There's a reason for that. But anyway, it probably wouldn't hurt to run it without it. Without the press fit, that is. Would I recommend it? Not necessarily. But anyway, I couldn't resist myself. I had to pick on this guy. If you've got to ask questions like that, if you can't figure out which way this gear goes, you shouldn't be working on a fucking engine. End of rant. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, You could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.